swept me away. You came along and I wrote this song. You rain the sun when the clouds are gray. You bring the warmth of spring to a cold winter day. You make me smile like a rose on a rainy day. You make me happy, you make me dream. You give me a reason to believe. You bring me hope, you give me faith. It's something, so come along.